Hey everyone, did you know that chocolate is over 2,000 years old? Long before it was candy, chocolate was a treasured drink in ancient Mesoamerica. The Olmecs, one of the earliest civilizations, were the first to cultivate cacao trees. They lived in what is now Mexico, sipping a bitter chocolate drink under the hot sun. The Mayans, who came after, also loved their chocolate. They believed cacao was a gift from the gods and used it in ceremonies. They even had a god of cacao. Imagine how important chocolate was to them. The Mayans mixed cacao beans with spices and water to create a frothy drink. It wasn't sweet like today's chocolate, but it was a special treat. The Aztecs ruled a vast empire and traded for cacao. Cacao beans were so valuable that the Aztecs used them as currency. Imagine buying your groceries with chocolate. The Aztec emperor, Montezuma, drank gallons of chocolate every day. Now, wasn't that a fascinating trip back in time? Chocolate wasn't just a tasty drink for the ancient Mesoamericans. They believed it had magical powers used in ceremonies to connect with their gods. Cacao brought them closer to the spiritual world. Imagine the aroma of chocolate filling their temples. Chocolate was key at weddings and births, shared to bring good luck and happiness. Surprisingly, they used chocolate as medicine too, believed to cure ailments like fevers and coughs. Chocolate was a sacred drink, symbol of good fortune and a source of healing. Stay tuned as we journey across the ocean to see how chocolate arrived in Europe and captured the world's heart. For centuries, the secret of chocolate stayed hidden in the Americas. Then, in the 1500s, everything changed. European explorers, led by Christopher Columbus, stumbled upon the New World. Imagine their surprise when they tasted this strange new drink. Columbus brought cacao beans back to Spain, but it wasn't love at first sip. The bitter taste wasn't appealing to Europeans. They started experimenting with it. Adding sugar and spices made it more appealing. The new chocolate drink became a hit in the Spanish court. It spread through Europe, captivating everyone. Chocolate was like a celebrity in Europe. Everyone was talking about it, especially the wealthy and powerful. It became a symbol of luxury and indulgence. People would gather in elegant chocolate houses to sip their fancy drinks and discuss the latest news. But chocolate wasn't just for grown-ups. Even children couldn't resist its charms. They enjoyed special treats like chocolate cookies and cakes. Can you imagine how excited they must have been? New inventions changed the chocolate game forever. In the 1800s, a clever Dutchman named Van Houten invented a method to make chocolate smoother and creamier. Then came the chocolate bar. Can you imagine a world without chocolate bars? From a bitter drink to a sweet sensation, chocolate's journey through Europe is truly remarkable. But how is this beloved treat made in today's world? Get ready to step inside a modern chocolate factory and uncover the magic. Hold on to your hats, chocolate lovers. We're about to embark on a delicious journey to see how chocolate is made in modern factories. It's a fascinating process, from tiny cacao beans to the smooth, melt-in-your-mouth chocolate we all know and love. The journey begins in tropical countries where cacao trees flourish. Farmers carefully harvest ripe cacao pods from the trees. Inside these pods are precious cacao beans, the heart of our favorite treat. These beans are then scooped out, fermented, and dried under the sun. Once dried, the cacao beans are shipped to chocolate factories worldwide. Here's where the real magic happens. The beans are sorted, cleaned, and roasted to perfection, releasing their incredible aroma and flavor. Imagine the heavenly scent filling the factory air. Get ready to witness the transformation as we delve deeper into each stage of the chocolate-making process. From roasting those precious beans to creating those irresistible chocolate bars. The first stop in our chocolate factory adventure is the cleaning and roasting area. Here, the cacao beans are carefully sorted and cleaned to remove any debris or impurities. It's like giving them a good wash before the big transformation. Next, the beans take a ride in giant ovens where they are roasted to perfection. This crucial step develops their rich flavor and aroma. The roasting time and temperature are carefully controlled to create the desired flavor profile. Think of it like baking a cake. The right temperature is key. As the beans roast, They release an irresistible chocolatey smell that fills the entire factory. Imagine breathing in that heavenly aroma. It's enough to make your mouth water. Once roasted, the beans are cooled down and ready for the next exciting stage grinding. Stay tuned to see how those roasted beans are transformed into a smooth, chocolatey paste that forms the base of all our favorite chocolate creations. Now that our cacao beans are roasted to perfection, it's time to turn them into liquid gold. The roasted beans are crushed and ground into a thick paste called chocolate liquor. Don't worry, there's no alcohol involved. This liquor contains cocoa butter, the natural fat that gives chocolate its melt-in-your-mouth texture. The chocolate liquor then goes for a spin in a conch, a large machine that looks like a giant seashell. The concha churns the chocolate liquor for hours, sometimes even days. This process smooths out the texture, refines the flavor, and creates that velvety smoothness we all love. During conching, other ingredients like sugar, milk powder for milk chocolate, and vanilla are added to the mix. The conching process is like a dance, blending all the ingredients together harmoniously. The longer the conching time, the smoother and more luxurious the chocolate becomes. But the journey isn't over yet. Stay tuned to see how this smooth, chocolatey mixture is transformed into those perfectly shaped bars and treats we can't resist. Our chocolate journey is nearing its end, but the best is yet to come. The smooth chocolate mixture, now called chocolate, is ready for its grand finale tempering and molding. Tempering is a crucial step that gives chocolate its signature snap and glossy shine. It involves carefully heating and cooling the chocolate to specific temperatures. Think of it like magic. This process ensures that the cocoa butter in the chocolate crystallizes in a stable form, giving it that satisfying snap when you break a piece. Once tempered, the chocolate is poured into molds of all shapes and sizes. From classic bars to intricate designs, the possibilities are endless. The molds are then vibrated to remove any air bubbles and ensure the chocolate is evenly distributed. Finally, the chocolate is cooled and solidified, ready to be unmolded and enjoyed in all its glory. But chocolate's journey doesn't end there. Let's explore the incredible versatility of this beloved treat and discover the world of flavors it offers. Chocolate is a true culinary chameleon. It can be enjoyed in countless ways, from simple pleasures to elaborate creations. Think beyond the chocolate bar, my friends. Chocolate can be melted, whipped, shaved, and even used in savory dishes. Let's talk desserts first. Chocolate is the star of the show in cakes, cookies, brownies, and puddings. It can be used in frostings, glazes, and sauces, adding a touch of decadence to any sweet treat. But chocolate's talents don't stop there. Chocolate is a wonderful ingredient for beverages too. Indulge in a comforting cup of hot chocolate on a chilly evening, or cool down with a refreshing glass of iced chocolate milk. And let's not forget about chocolate coffee. The combination of coffee's richness and chocolate's sweetness is pure bliss. Get ready to explore the world of chocolate varieties, from the darkest dark to the creamiest milk chocolate. Just like a rainbow of colors, chocolate comes in a spectrum of flavors. From the intense bitterness of dark chocolate to the sweet creaminess of milk chocolate, there's a chocolate out there for every palate. Dark chocolate, with its high percentage of cacao, is for those who appreciate a rich, intense flavor. It's less sweet than other varieties and often has a slightly bitter edge. Milk chocolate, as its name suggests, contains milk powder, which gives it a milder, creamier flavor. It's the perfect choice for those who prefer a sweeter chocolate experience. And let's not forget about white chocolate. While technically not real chocolate because it doesn't contain chocolate liquor, white chocolate is made from cocoa butter, sugar, and milk solids. It has a sweet, buttery flavor that pairs beautifully with fruits and nuts. From the ancient civilizations who first discovered its magic to the modern chocolate factories where it's crafted into countless forms, chocolate has left an undeniable mark on our world. Chocolate's journey through time is a testament to its enduring appeal. From its humble beginnings as a bitter drink in ancient Mesoamerica to its status as a global icon, chocolate has captured the hearts and taste buds of people worldwide. Today, chocolate is more than just a food or a flavor. It's a symbol of indulgence, celebration, and pure happiness. It has the power to lift our spirits, evoke memories, and bring people together. So next time you unwrap a chocolate bar or savor a chocolate dessert, take a moment to appreciate the rich history and artistry behind this beloved treat. Remember the ancient civilizations who first cultivated cacao, the explorers who brought it to new lands, and the chocolatiers who continue to innovate and delight us with their creations. Here's to the sweet legacy of chocolate. May it continue to bring joy and indulgence for generations to come. Subscribe for more interesting facts about chocolate and other delightful topics.